Welcome back, everyone. This is our 8-month update of our ongoing 20-way ceramic spray coatings longevity test. Initially, I thought this test wouldn't last longer than about 6 months, but several of those products have proved me wrong. We'll now foam this hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then inspect the hydrophobic properties of everything before we dry it off. I'll leave the last 30 days weather that this hood has been exposed to up on your screen, as well as the lifetime weather of what it's seen. Starting to warm up here, as you can see, but somewhat a dry month here. As usual, check out the link in the video description as to where you can buy these products, as it does help the channel out. I also have an awesome spreadsheet with all of the info and SDS on these products that'll help you make that decision. On to hydrophobics. Gloss It Bodyguard Spray. Still doing okay. Three Turtle Wax products, it looks like, or Turtle Wax Ceramic Wet Wax. It's still hanging in there, but it's been kind of that way for a while. Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Liquid, still a little bit, and Mother's CMX Ceramic Spray. Looks like we'll mark both of those weak. There's still a little bit going on. Adam's Graphene Spray, also weak. Griot's Garage 3-in-1 still impressing, along with Gloss It. That's probably one of the best performers here in the test. G-Technic C2V3, I think we're gonna call that failed at this point. No, it's still got a little bit. Adam's 9H, also weak. Man, this is that point in these tests where you have to make a call and it's tough. Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Spray Wax, still doing good. You can tell it's slowing down, but it's still there. CarPro Reload, Next Gen, we knew those failed a while ago. The Last Coat V2, just a small corner of it hanging on. F11, everything else failed. And IGL Premier doing very well as well. So you have IGL Premier, Griot's Garage, and Gloss It. Probably the three best performers, but there are others that are still hanging in here at the 8-month mark. So do you have a favorite? Let me know. Have you used any of these? Let me know in the comments. Have they held up as long as it's going in this test, or longer, shorter? Let me hear it from you guys. Curious to see how my results match up with yours. These tests are not possible without your support. I'm purposely unsponsored because I promise to you that I will never accept money for a review of a product like certain other YouTubers. I am completely neutral and unbiased, and that 100% of these products are purchased out of my own pocket unless otherwise stated. As I said earlier, I don't do paid reviews for companies, and believe me, they've tried, because I want to know the real truth behind the best detailing products out there for you, for me, and for our clients. Want to take a moment to remind you that if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Smash that like button, comment down below. It does help others get to see these videos by doing so. We just surpassed the 20,000 subscriber mark last month and growing quickly. I want to thank all you guys for the continued support, and be sure to share these videos and support channels like this. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching. We will see you soon.